If you're looking to order a UFB service in New Zealand, you're going to need to nominate a site contact. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick heads up on why they're so important and what they need to know in order to be a good fit for the job. So, when you sign an agreement, we are going to ask you for a site contact's information, that being their name, email address, and phone number for the person who will be present on site during build. Now, this person will be the point of contact for the fibre carrier's field technicians and will be responsible for pointing out where the ONT should be installed. The ONT is the box that the UFB connection terminates in. But look, it's worth noting that we are not able to use the contact details of someone based outside of New Zealand, and that is a good thing for our Australian partners to keep in mind. Okay, let's talk about the site contacts experience. If the UFB order is for somewhere that an intact ONT already exists, the fibre carrier will not interact with the site contact at all. Therefore, the provisioning of the service is entirely remote and no site access is required. This was simple and doesn't cause anyone any stress. Right, but during the simple build order, the site contact can expect to receive a call or text message from the field technician, usually a day or two prior to an upcoming visit. It's extremely important that the site contact is not only aware of the work that is being done, but is also capable of instructing the field technician as to where the equipment should be installed. The site contact will also be responsible for providing access to any communication cabinets, server rooms, or MDFs, main distribution frames, within the building. During a complex build order, the experience is much the same as a simple build, however, may involve visits from the technician as they scope and outline the design and the build, so more visits potentially. It's really important that the site contact understands the project, their responsibilities, and feels empowered to make a decision on where the ONT should be installed. So look, those are the key points for site contact on or regarding New Zealand UFB orders. If you have any questions, please just get in touch. Our team will be happy to help.